What's up, Inspirators? It's your boy Tony D, TonyDinspires.com. Welcome to the Inspirate channel. We are out here in the heart of nature, baby, as my man Ralph Smart would like to say. Once again, exploring another one of our parks. We are on a nature hike and having some fun. Take you along a little bit with me as we go. You guys know how I love nature. So, pretty awesome. In the deep state. What's going on? Lots of times you can look back here and see some animals. See how these fallen trees. Lots of times animals like to make places to hide out there. Sometimes to give birth, those types of things. So, just wanted to share this with you. Didn't really have a particular topic to talk about. But you know, this channel is all about inspiration, and this is one of my inspirational places. So if I want to go on a little nature hike here, this is one of the places I'll go. I'll take you down this way just a little bit and you can see some more, and then we'll head up opposite way. Beautiful day in Indiana. Let's see over here. It's a creek bed. You can go along that way. It's a little we're not gonna go too far that way today, but I want to show you. It's pretty cool. Check out these flowers. So this is a great way to get a little bit of nature in the middle of the day. It's literally 5 minutes from one of my favorite parks. It's actually in the park, but you know what I mean. Like, you can park at a picnic table, have a little picnic, and then go on a little nature hike. See, there's another little spur that goes that way. We could go under that branch and get back to there. Coming up closer to the park now. Start to hear the cars and things. Starting to open up. A lot more sky. Less trees. So, good stuff. Let's give you a 360. That sun peeking through right there. So, it's awesome. So, just wanted to share a little bit with you, Inspirators. This is one of my places. I like to do a little nature hiking in the day. Like I said, take 5 minutes out and get into nature and get your vibration back high. Get that sunshine. Look at that. You can get sun gazing in there. You can get nature. See some animals like we did down there. All good stuff. So, alright, Tony D, TonyDinspires.com. Thanks for checking in. Remember, if you like this, please hit the little like button. Subscribe and share to your friends if you like it. And hit that little bell sign. That's the notification symbol. And when you hit that, it will let you know when I put out new videos. Because we are dedicated to putting out new videos every single day. Alright, I'm going to leave you. And let you enjoy your own nature at your own place, but I do encourage you to get out and see some of it. All right, love y'all. Later.